The Wisconsin Journey. We will be looking at Unit 1, Map Skills and Geography, which consists of Chapters 1 and Chapters 2 from the Wisconsin Journey textbook. Chapter 1, Lesson 1. The land we call home. Wisconsin seems very large, yet it is just one small part of the world. Because we live in Wisconsin, it is important to us. It is our home. Millions of people all over the world live in places that are important to them. In this chapter, we will learn about Wisconsin by studying its geography. Geography is a study of the land, water, plants, animals, and people of a place. First, we will learn where Wisconsin is located in the world. We will learn what the land is like and how it got that way. We will see how people use the land and take care of the land. We will see how people in Wisconsin are connected with people all over the world. Why is it important to know about the geography of a place? Geography affects where we live. It affects how we live. Where in the world are we? We all know we live on planet Earth, but just where on Earth do we live? Wisconsin is located on one of the world's continents. Continents are very large land areas. They have oceans on many sides. Wisconsin is on the continent of North America. Wisconsin is part of a country in North America. A country is a land region under the control of one government. Our country is the United States of America. Canada is a country to the north of us. Mexico is a country to the south of us. Caption: Where do you live? 1. Our world is the planet Earth. 2. Our continent is North America. 3. Our country is the United States of America. 4. Our state is Wisconsin. Water, water, everywhere. Caption: The name Wisconsin comes from an Indian word that means where the waters gather. This is the headwater of the Wisconsin River near the Michigan border. Our state has water on 3 of its 4 sides. There are also more than 10,000 streams and 8,700 lakes. Rivers often start in higher land. They are just small streams of melted snow. The starting place for a river is called its headwaters. The streams join other streams and flow into a lake or larger river. As a river flows to the ocean, other rivers called tributaries flow into it. The river becomes wider with all the new water. The many waterways in Wisconsin are important transportation routes. In the past, Native Americans, explorers, and pioneers used the waterways like we use highways today. It was easier and faster to travel on water than on land. The land was covered with many trees and rocks. The people crossed Lake Michigan in boats and paddled up the Fox River. They crossed Lake Winnebago and some smaller lakes. Then the travelers carried their canoes across the narrow stretch of land that was between the Fox and Wisconsin rivers. They paddled down the Wisconsin River all the way to the Mississippi River. On the Mississippi, travelers could float all the way to the Gulf of Mexico and out to the ocean. By land, this trip would have been almost impossible. It would have taken a very long time. Caption: The sun sets over the Wisconsin River. There are 47 dams on the river, but laws say that part of the river must stay in its natural state. No dams can be built there. Everyone needs water. Everyone needs water. People have always built their villages or towns near rivers and lakes. Today, water comes to our homes in pipes under the ground. Rivers and lakes are still important. Ships transport goods back and forth to people in many cities. Water gives beauty to the land. Do you like to fish, swim, and water ski? Do you like to wade along the beach? A home for fish. Lakes and rivers are important sources of food. Even families far away from lakes eat fresh fish, frozen fish, and canned fish. Not all the animals in the lakes, rivers, and streams are fish. Animals that have shells, such as oysters, are shellfish. They have hard shells on the outside instead of bones on the inside. Oysters live in the Mississippi River. Captions: Wisconsin's rivers and lakes. Wisconsin is one of the few states where all the rivers start in the state and flow out. People fish on the Great Lakes for fun. They also make money catching and selling fish. One of the most beautiful places on the Wisconsin rivers is called the Dells. A dell is a narrow valley. Swiftly flowing water has carved strange-looking rocks in the dells. A Ho-Chunk Indian legend says the dells were formed by a snake that forced its body through solid rock.